Hey everyone, George Weber, gWebberArts here, and I've been doing some work with Sawsey's Hardware and Hobby here in Grass Valley. I've been tuning up some of their old trains before they get sold off, and we're going to take a look at one, and I'm going to try to get it to go around my torture track. I call it that because the track isn't flat. It's got all sorts of issues, and this particular train really needs smooth track. So we're going to take a look and see what happens. We have a very lovely Southern Pacific with a dome car and everything. I probably don't have the cars in the right order other than having the end of the train at the end of the train. A very nice engine, which is either an Athearn or it's a copy of an Athearn. I'm not totally sure. The cars are refurbished or refurbished, depending on how you want to pronounce it, and we're going to get her started here and see if she'll go around. Again, this track is super uneven, so any one of these cars could uncouple at any second. That engine runs really nice. I spent about an hour tuning it up, and it just goes along at a nice slow steady crawl with no problems. It'll go much faster too, but you know, with this particular setup I don't want to go blazing because the cars will definitely disconnect on me if I do. I'll give it just a touch more power. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Really nice Southern Pacific cars. I love the dome car. Someday I'd like to actually ride in the real one just because it'd be a lot of fun. So again, I guess you could kind of say this video is sponsored by Sawsey's Hardware and Hobby here in Grass Valley. They do, oops, there goes the tail car, shut it down. They do model trains, obviously, a lot of RC cars, RC airplanes, pretty much anything RC, and they also have some hardware stuff for regular hardware. So anyways, I just thought I'd bring this little video from the rickety railroad and gWebberArts and let you see what I've been doing lately. Alright, have a great day, and we'll see you again on another video sometime soon, I hope.